Hi friends, I'm in winter night market in Al Rigga, Deira, Dubai. Okay, let's go and see winter night market. This is Al Ghurair shopping mall, Al Ghurair center in Al Rigga. So next to Al Ghurair shopping mall, you can see winter night market, and opposite side road also you can see one more night market. It's both same only, and one more in other side. You can see many night market in Al Ghurair area, and Murakabat side also one more night market is there. So these all the night markets opening October and then closing end of March or end of April. I don't know this time when they will close, because now still climate is good. So if getting hot, they will close. Al Rigga in Deira in Dubai is the very famous for best nightlife, because many shops are 24 hours open and people will be outside roaming here and there. Al Rigga area is populated and most popular for entertainment, because all the hotels and nightclubs are available here. Another thing is, most of the restaurants are open 24 hours. So anytime you can come and eat night, you can enjoy here, walking, roaming here and there. That's why this area was populated with Filipinos, and they are working in hotels and restaurants. So that's why this area mostly Filipinos living. Al Rigga is very easy to find. Just Google Al Ghurair Center. Then next to Al Ghurair Center, the road is called Al Rigga Street, and the behind Al Murakabat Street. Both the roads are very good for entertainment. So if you want to come here and enjoy, just Google Al Rigga Street. Okay, now I will go inside and check what is the inside. I will show you. Clothes, electronic items.
Maybe there's something with this one.
This area you can get any type of Filipino and other street foods.
Kasama drinks, 3.
Why he was different? Second generation.